Zombie apocalypse-proof UPS? GOLDENMATE 1000VA lithium backup. 10-year beast with 8 juiced ports. Say goodbye to dusty old lead-acid bricks and welcome the Tesla of UPS systems. The GOLDENMATE 1000VA/800 watts lithium UPS doesn't just offer battery backup, it serves high-efficiency lithium iron phosphate-powered lifelines to your critical tech. With 8 full surge plus battery outlets, yes, all 8 are juiced, a pure Sinewave output, and whisper-quiet cooling below 50 decibels, this gray tower of power is a sleek, futuristic plug-and-play warrior. Whether you're guarding a PC, router, or life's work, this bad boy keeps the lights on while others fumble in the dark. Why replace your UPS every few years when this lithium beast clocks in at 10 years of maintenance-free uptime and 5,000 plus recharge cycles? The GOLDENMATE's Advanced Battery Management System, BMS, doesn't just baby the cells, it runs them like a pit crew, ensuring safety, precision, and longevity. Compared to clunky lead-acid cousins, this UPS slashes your total cost of ownership, TCO, by 40%, meaning your tech stays online longer and your wallet breathes easier. It's the battery backup you buy once and flex forever. Let's talk brains. The intelligent LCD panel is like mission control for your electricity, flashing real-time stats on input, output voltage, load levels, and battery health with clarity. Get instant alerts when the juice dips, surges, or flips, plus a handy buzzer mute feature for when silence is golden. Built-in protection shut things down before overheating, surging, or damage happens, so your gear stays safe. Whether you're managing a gaming station or mission-critical work-from-home setup, you're always in the know. Safety isn't a bonus here, it's the blueprint. GOLDENMATE's UPS is UL 1642, UL 1973, and TUV certified, armed with the latest chipset tech for double anomaly detection. That's not just jargon, it's industrial-strength peace of mind. From data centers to dorm rooms, this UPS shields your world with the same rugged reliability found in pro-grade equipment. Plus, it's shockproof, surge-proof, and future-proof, basically everything-proof. Think of it as a silent bodyguard for your electronics, except this one never sleeps. You're not just buying a UPS, you're investing in a decade of uptime insurance. With its superior lithium phosphate chemistry, 10-year lifespan, whisper-quiet operation, and pro-level certifications, the GOLDENMATE 1000VA UPS delivers more value per watt than almost anything in its class. Easy setup? Check. Long runtime, up to 9 hours. Double check. A futuristic LCD interface and killer surge defense across every outlet? Triple check. This isn't just smart spending, it's tech dominance with a power cord. So, ready to kill the blackout drama for good?